This is the BeneCam video doorbell. The BeneCam video doorbell connects to your home Wi-Fi network and offers live and audio video to your iPhone or iPad. It is a perfect brand on convenience, monitoring, and security all into one simple to use smart doorbell. Whether you are in the kitchen or halfway around the world, you can see what is going on outside of your home via our BeneCam APP. Now let's see what is included. First one is the doorbell. Here is a chime and the cable connection. The power adapter, the manual. This one, it can be Wi-Fi network, or it can also connect it to your router. To connect to the power supply. This is also available for internet connection to your router to make the signal much better. Download the BeneCam APP, open and register. If it is the Wi-Fi connection, we have to choose Smart Link, and next put the password number of your home. You can scan the device. It will appear automatically, or you can search the device. Add the device. The password is 123. Let's see, it is connected successfully. Okay, let's try.
Hi, Ruth, how are you?
Welcome.